What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Amanda Paris. That's my new intro, apparently. So if you've been here before, welcome back. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this super simple, fun, and quick hairstyle. It's with this handy dandy little tool. Well, it's actually not really little, it's pretty big. It is the Mermade Pro Waver by Mermade Hair, and it is 32 millimeters, and it is said to be 50% faster than all the other wavers out there. I'm gonna show you guys how I did this. It's really quick, easy, simple. If I can do it, you can do it. But before I show you how I did it, make sure to hit like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications because I got a lot of great stuff happening here and you don't wanna miss it. All right, so I did wash my hair this morning and dry it, obviously. So I'm starting with clean hair. I am going to go ahead and spray my hair with some flexible hold hairspray. I really like this hairspray. It brushes out really easy. I don't want something super sticky with a lot of hold. I just want it to, kind of help out my hair because my hair doesn't like to hold any styles, basically. So first I'm gonna start off by sectioning off my hair. Now, if you've been following me for quite some time, you notice I have a little bit more hair than I usually do. That is because I recently put back in my hand-tied extensions. I just needed some hair back, okay? My life. I'm gonna just clip this up. And I'm just gonna use one of these little clips to hold this hair up out of the way. So I'm gonna take my flexible hold hairspray and just lightly mist a little bit on my hair before I wave it because my hair doesn't like to hold anything. So I'm just gonna, just give a little something, something. So I have it set at 360 degrees. That is what my hairdresser told me to use all my hot tools at so I don't damage my hair. So that's what we're gonna stick with. Now it did come with heat resistant glove, which I love. I'm gonna try to not use it because I don't think that I need it, but we'll see. TBD. Woo! Look at that. That's some good waves. Hello. I was actually super excited to try this because this is my old waver. A, it's much smaller, right? And B, it took a really long time to do my entire head. Your girl upgraded. Oh, I've only done one section. I'm already like, I love it. That is pretty quick. If I do say so myself. Ooh, look at that. I love this, it's so pretty. Usually if I want to do beach waves, I use a wand, which takes so much time. I feel like it's pretty forgiving because I tend to get a little impatient when I do my hair, and I feel like even some of them, like that last one, I was like, was that 5 seconds? I don't know. Tell me you're impatient without telling me you're impatient. I can't even count to 5. But anyway, like I was saying, I think it seems pretty forgiving. Even if you kind of rush it a little bit, you still get a nice wave to your hair. And honestly, even when you're doing beach waves normally, you don't do every curl the exact same. You do some a little looser, some a little tighter, this way, that way, You want some variety in there. Shake and bake, baby. All right, next section. Man, I don't really have that much more left. Ah! I always go to my curling iron because it's faster, but I'm loving this. You know what? That still held pretty well. I forgot to spray my hair, so honestly, I guess you really don't even need it. So to get the back piece is a little awkward, so I just look for where that dip was, right? And then go down from there. And we're already on the last section. So exciting. I am going to spray my hair this time because I forgot last section. Especially it being the top because this is mostly my natural and not the extensions, and my hair is super fine and doesn't hold anything. So we're just gonna give it a little help. Woo! Definitely held that on for 5 seconds. I really wish I had a mirror to see the back of my hair would be a little helpful. So we are going to see how forgiving this waver truly is. We're in this together. So like I said earlier, I'm not being perfect with this. My sections are varying in the amount of hair that I am taking. So we're gonna see what happens. But I think it looks pretty good, honestly. All right. Now we're officially on the last section. So divide and conquer. Don't burn your fingers, don't burn your fingers. All right. I think this is the last piece. Don't burn yourself. Wear the heat glove, don't burn yourself. So I'm just gonna go through, hit it with a little flexible hold hairspray. I'm a jam. This is amazing. Malibu Barbie ain't got nothing on me. I love this, legit. That was like so easy. Who's ready to go to the beach? Not me because, yeah, this is just for looks. This is my finished look. I personally love it. It was super easy and pretty quick to get this style. I do see a few areas where I could have, done it a little better, but honestly, I'm really happy with it. I do think you get that, beachy wave look. It's very fun, and yeah, I have so much body in my hair now. This is amazing. Thumbs up from me. Really love this. Way faster than my other waver that I can now throw in the trash can. Sorry, Revlon. But it's Mermade Hair for me. Okay. Again, this is the 32mm Pro Waver from Mermade Hair. It's 69 bucks on their website. I will put the link down below. I unfortunately don't have a code or anything for you guys, but 69 bucks honestly isn't bad. I really, really like this. It's a great hot tool. I'm super excited to use this because honestly, it feels a little faster than my curling iron. So, and pretty forgiving. A few key features that really stood out to me about the Mermade Pro Waver was that it is made of ceramic barrels, so it's gonna protect your hair from unnecessary damage. It heats up within 30 seconds, and it also has an auto shut off that turns off after an hour. Most of us, if we're all being honest here, this is the nest, right? We're all in the nest? Okay, great. So, we've left our hot tools on. It happens. So I'm a big fan of the auto shut off because I have absolute anxiety when I'm like in a hurry and then I'm out and I'm like, oh, did I turn it off? Did I turn it off? Did I turn it off? I don't know. Oh my God, is my house gonna burn down? Fingers crossed, it's not on. Or I'm like, does that thing have an auto shut off? It has an auto shut off, so you're good. It does come with the heat protection glove. Like I mentioned, I didn't use it in this video, but I probably should have because I did touch the barrels a couple times with my knuckles and it didn't feel very great. So maybe try this out. I might use that from now on. I use one when I use a wand, and I think it's a good idea. Love that it comes with one. They know. We should trust them. It also has this really nice swivel cord. Woo, look at that. Has a swivel cord, so you can get crazy if you want to doing your hair. You could do donuts, it's fine, you're not gonna get tangled up. We love that. They also have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and I personally really appreciate when a company stands behind their product and offers a money-back guarantee. That shows their confidence in it and makes me feel more confident in purchasing it. So again, I love this product. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if there's any other hair tutorials or products you want me to try and review. I will give you guys my honest opinion as always. Don't forget to hit like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye. Okay, I'm an idiot. All right, why don't people pay me to make videos? This is why. What else was I supposed to say? Oh God.